Hello, I'm Dr. Gary Gould, and I'm a news media production specialist here at the School of Journalism. In today's video, we're going to look at how to shoot video with a smartphone, and we're going to look at things to avoid.
In this tutorial, you're going to learn several things, including things to avoid doing to your video images, the importance of cleaning the lens properly, and you're going to learn some pro tips for shooting video with your smartphone. Let's start with things to avoid doing to your video images.
Don't like the digital zoom, so don't use that. Don't use any effects, no filters, no black and white. Shoot it straight up color. If you want to use an effect, you can put it on later, but especially with photojournalism and video, we want it to be straight, clean, just how you shot it. Now you can tweak it later if the color's wrong, if you shot it with the wrong white balance or whatever, then that's something you certainly can fix, but don't add anything onto the phone. Make sure you clean out the lens. Don't ever blow on anything electronic, right? Let me show you on this right here. So there's a camera here, and then there's a piece of glass for the teleprompter. So I'm going to blow on the glass. Can you see anything? Yeah, you can see my breath. Gross. That's disgusting, right? I just blew in your face. Sorry about that. But I want you to see when you breathe out, moisture comes out with it. And if you breathe onto the lens here or onto your DSLR, that breath vapor, that moisture vapor is going to go inside and can get inside the lens and can give you all kinds of problems. That's fine if you're cleaning your glasses. Okay, great, no problem. But nothing electronic. Well, what do I do then, Gary? So a couple things. You can get yourself a lens cleaning kit. Don't ever put lens cleaning fluid directly onto the lens of any camera. Sometimes because it comes with liquid if you buy a kit. So you don't want to be dripping it. You want to put it onto the lens cleaning cloth and then gently wipe it onto the lens. Other thing too is when you're shooting, make sure there's enough memory on these devices. What's the weak part with all of these? The battery, right? The battery. So a couple quick tips about that. Please make sure that first of all you charge the battery. Charge it up fully. Make sure this thing is fully charged. The other thing that you may not know about rechargeable battery technology is when the batteries get cold, they die, right? They deflate. Keep it in the inside pocket of your jacket or somewhere that's warm so that the body heat is keeping the phone or your battery warm, so when you get to where you're going, you're taking pictures. If I'm out or video, cold air kills the battery much faster. The other thing is if there's any kind of alert going off, like as I've been doing this workshop, I have 3 missed calls and 9 new emails, right? That's just in the course of the 3 hours I've been taking to do this. But I've silenced my phone, so when I'm doing this, it's not ringing and beeping while we're doing this video, right? That's just pro-level thinking. So someone is looking for me. You watched the other video I showed you when I do talk about some smartphone recording. Turning on the light is actually quite a good thing because it does put a nice little light in a person's eyes. Or that's another reason, if I'm shooting with the iPod, right? I can use the flashlight, the feature on my camera, and I can use right here. So I'm lighting the subject with this light, and I can go a little bit higher so that it's offset a little bit. Again, you can't really tell from this light because I got so much light going here. But what I would do is use one to light the subject and the other one to record it, just to make it just a little bit more professional. Don't forget, all right? So don't forget lighting, don't forget sound. Hold it level. Watch out for lots of action. Be careful, beware the rolling shutter.
Let's stop and review what we've looked at in this tutorial. We looked at things to avoid doing to your images. We looked at the importance of cleaning the lens properly, and we learned some pro tips for shooting video with your smartphone. Let's check our learning now with a quiz.
So there you go, 10 minutes or less, how to use a smartphone for pro-level stuff. Do try it out in advance so you know what your phone is capable of and not capable of, and have some fun with it. But don't forget, horizontal, lens left. I'm Dr. Gary Gould. We'll see you again.